Good morning. So today we start with LCM. LCM. Already last two classes we discussed about HCF, highest common factor, or GCD, greatest common divisor. Both are same. So now LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple is called LCM. So as well as HCF, we have two methods. That is to find HCF of any numbers, division method and factorization method is there. Similarly, LCM also we have two methods. So first one, division method. Division method. Next, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay. So we start with one example, that is LCM of 36 and 60. 36 and 60 is how much? LCM of 36 and 60. So to find the LCM 36 and 60, first we have to write factors of two numbers 36. So factors how to will get either division or tree method. So any method will get a factors. Okay. First, in 36, in division method, first we start with division method of 36 and 60. So, 36 and 60, I have to do like this, say, to draw one line like this, and divide the two numbers with prime numbers. So, 36 is divided, 2 ones are, here 1 is a remainder, 60, 2 8 is 60. So, comma, next 60. 2 3 is 6 and 30, 0 is a remainder. Now again 2 table 18, 2 9s are 18, 30, 2 1s are 2, here 1, 10, 2 5s are 10. Now this 9 and 15 not divisible by 2. So these two numbers are multiples of 3. So that's why I have to divide with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. And next 3 5, both are prime numbers. So I have to divide with prime numbers only. That is 3, 3 ones are 3, and 5 is not divisible. I have to write as it is. And similarly, here 5 is a prime number. I have to divide with prime number 1. At last we get 1 as a numbers. Means till here we have to do the sum. So 36 and 60, I have to get last step as 1 more. So means what are the factors here? 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. So means LCM equal to multiplication of these prime numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So multiplication, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are how much? 180. So 180 is the LCM of 36 and 60 is equal to 180. This is called division method. This is the division method. Division method. This is the division method. So next method is what? Prime factorization method. So prime factorization method. Prime factorization method of same numbers 36 and 60. 36 and 60. So similarly, already we did 36 in prime factors in HCF. We are divided with, we have two methods to get a factors, either division method or tree method. Okay, first I will write 36 as in terms of prime numbers. 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. But 2 is a prime number, but 18 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So this one you have to convert it into again prime numbers. 18. I will written as 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So, but 9 is not a prime. Is it prime number 9? No, it is not a prime number. So 9 is not a prime number. That's why I have to convert 9 as 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Now all are prime numbers will be 2 into 2 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36 will be. Finally we get same number. Finally we get the same number. Next 60. 60 you have to do same method. 2. 2 into 30. 60. Again 30 is not a prime number. 2 15s are 30. But 15 is not a prime number. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now all are prime numbers will be. So these are the factors of 36 and 60. Now the method of LCM is method of LCM is, so now the LCM full form is least common multiple, least common multiple. So whereas in HCF we have to take, we will take only what are the common numbers between the two numbers. So here what is the common, we have to write the two numbers and multiplication we get HCF. But in LCM we cannot do like that. In LCM we have to do like this. So we have to write all prime numbers with highest power. All prime numbers with highest power is called LCM. So this one I will written as 2. 2 how many times repeated here? 2 times repeated. Yes, that's why I will write 2 square. 2 square. Here 3 how many times repeated? 2 times. That is into 3 square. Into 3 square. So similarly 2 how many times repeated? 2 times. That is 2 square into 3 single time. We have to write 3 power 1. 5 single time. 5 power 1. 5 power 1. Okay. In LCM, what I said, I have to write each prime number with highest power. What are the prime numbers here? 2, 3. 2, 3 prime number. Here 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. I have to write first 2, 3, 5. So this is not an answer. I have to write first common. I have to write all factors at single time first, and next I have to write 2 here with highest power. Here 2 square. Both are same. I have to write 2 on the highest power. That's why I have to write 2 square. Next 3 square here. 3 power 1 is 3 power 1, which is having highest power 3 square. That's why I have to write 3 square. And 5 single time is it? Not 5 power 1. That's it. Now I have to multiply. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 how much? 4. 3 square, 3 into 3. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 5 power 1, 5. No multiplication. 4 9s are 36. 36 5s are 180. So now answer is 180. So means in prime factorization LCM is 180. Here in division method also we get 180. So these are the two methods to get a LCM of any numbers, either division method or prime factorization method. Okay. Now I will give some questions for homework. LCM of first one, LCM of 4, 12, 24. 4, 12, 24. Next, LCM of 12, 16, 24, 36. You can use any method, either division or prime factorization. And one more question. I have to complete the table. This one blocks. 6 into 10 here. Here. Question mark. Here 5. Here question mark. Now to fill these circles. What are the values for it? What is this? This is called tree method. In tree method, each value is given. Okay? So these are the homework. Okay, thank you. Next class we will continue.